Okay, 2020 Mack Anthem, 425 horsepower M7 engine with a M-Drive 12-speed automatic Mack transmission, 12 fronts, 40 rears, full lockers on the rears, air ride cab, air ride suspension. Does have a little damage right there in the hood on this one. Tires look decent on it. 275-gallon fuel tanks, an air ride cab, air ride suspension, full disc brakes the whole way around the truck, LED lights, adaptive cruise control. It's part of a fleet that they're done hauling in this area, so they're getting rid of the trucks. Don't need them anymore. We've got about 20 that we're selling. So if you have any questions, feel free to call. But